At the vibrant 2024 NPE exhibit in the USA, Payakriat once again showcased its cutting-edge technology. The G5 Ultra stood out with its innovative design that captured endless attention. Its top-tier screw nozzle and efficient material handling deliver impressive speed and precision. Though not physically present, the G12 and G40 also made a powerful impact. At our booth, a variety of molds and models printed by these machines demonstrated their extensive capabilities and superior performance. Thank you to all the partners and friends who visited. Payakriat continues to push the boundaries of plastic printing technology. For more information, visit our website or contact us.